So hey guys, it's me again with another fascinating tutorial. So how do we add a location link to your Canva gift card? So imagine just giving away gift cards to your friends or family during an important event and just giving them the ease to just click the link and going next to the link or the Google Maps. Imagine just clicking the link directly from your invitation card and it goes to your Google Maps or the location of the venue. Isn't it gives much ease of access to your relatives? So for example, here we have an invitation. Wedding anniversary. So we can just put please click here for the location details. So instead of typing the address, you can just put please click here for the location details for them to just click link. So before that, let's say the location is at, let's say, Google Maps. We go to Google Maps, we search for the location, and we can just put event center. So let's say Marquis Events Place. We just share this, press copy link, we go back here, we highlight this thing, press the three dots here, then we go to link, we paste the link of the Google Maps and press done. So automatically, once you download this ePDF or this digital invitation, the maps or the link is directly under this word. So if your family and friends just click on please click here for location details, it will automatically go here. Then we just press directions. So let's say the starting point is my location, and you can see here the directions exactly to that place. So imagine the ease of access for your family and friends. So that's it for today's video entitled how to add location or how to add a location link to your Canva invitation. So that's all for today's video and on to the next one.